This famous poem by Rabindranath Tagore was written when India was under the rule of the Britishers. The poem is written in the form of a prayer to the Almighty, asking for freedom for the country. Tagore also appeals to God for the social, educational, and economic freedom for the people of India. The poem was originally composed in Bengali. Tagore won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913, and this poem appeals in his Nobel Prize winning anthology Gitanjali. So let's get started. As I read the poem, I would like all the children to take their textbooks and go through the lines as I recite the poem from the text. Where the mind is without fear. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where word comes out from the depth of truth. Where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by day into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.